This is a beautiful, simple side-by-side cable pattern, and it turned out really good. You can see the texture, and it really is beautiful. If you'd like to learn how to do it, stay tuned. This cable pattern requires a multiple of 4 stitches plus 2. I have 26 foundation single crochets, and then I put another row of single crochets on top of that. Now we're ready to start our cables. At the end, just chain 1 and turn. Put single crochets in the first 2 stitches. And then we'll start our first cable stitch. That will be a front post double crochet, and it will go down 2 rows. So I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm not going down to this one, but the one below it. Very first one down here. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Be sure you pull these front post double crochets up pretty high, otherwise they will make your fabric crimp. So we've got one, and then we'll do another one right next to it. Be sure you pull it up really high. And then we're going to skip the 2 stitches behind and single crochet in the next 2. Then we'll do 2 more front post double crochets, again going all the way down to the bottom. So in here. And in the next one. And 2 more single crochets, and repeat this pattern to the end of the row. At the end of this row, I'm going to put single crochets in the last 2 stitches. This first row is really the hardest because you have to establish where you're putting your front post double crochets. After that, we'll just be going into the front post. We won't have to find a place to put them. So that is actually row 3, because I have a foundation row, single crochet, and then this is the 3rd row. All the even numbered rows now will be the same. We'll chain 1 and turn, put a single crochet in each stitch across. Starting the 5th row will be the same as the 3rd row, although it's easier because we already have these posts that we're going to crochet into. We don't need to find a place to put our posts. So chain 1 and turn, put a single crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then we'll do a front post double crochet into each of those. Again, make sure that these are really loose. Pull the loop up all the way up to the height of the hook, so your finished project doesn't look squished. And then continue the same way across, alternating front post double crochets and single crochets. At the end of this row, you should start to see the cable pattern emerging, and it looks great. We're just going to repeat the last 2 rows until you get to the length of your project. I've completed several rows, and you can see how gorgeous it turned out. You just have to love cable stitches, don't you? They look hard, but they're really pretty easy, and the results are gorgeous. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment, and see my other videos at my YouTube channel. Thanks.